Let me show you how to configure VLANs on a Cisco switch. Before we get into that, what exactly is a VLAN? A VLAN is a logical separation of devices at layer 2 of the OSI model. Layer 2 of the OSI model has to deal with MAC addresses and VLANs. This is before we're even talking about IP addressing and routing. A VLAN allows you to separate devices so that they're not all talking to each other. You might want regular employee computers on one VLAN, servers on another VLAN, and security cameras on a completely different VLAN. And since you're separating these devices at layer 2, they're not going to be able to talk to each other unless you allow it through layer 3 routing. So in conclusion, VLANs provide better security, are more scalable and flexible, and makes your network easier to manage. Let's get into configuration mode on our switch, and we're going to type VLAN 10, and we're going to name this VLAN laptops. Let's get out of VLAN configuration mode and get into interface configuration mode, and we're going to configure Gigabit Ethernet 101. We're going to make this a regular access port with switch port mode access, and then we're going to make it a part of VLAN 10 with switch port access VLAN 10. And I like adding descriptions to my ports. I'm going to plug in my laptop's adapter. I'm going to plug into the switch 101 port. It's going to turn green, and now if we do show VLAN brief, we'll see our VLAN 10 there, laptops, and you'll see port 101 is a part of that VLAN. And now we can actually look at the MAC address table for G101, and you'll see the MAC address for my laptop. The last cool thing I'd like to show you guys is Wireshark. It's a free packet capture analysis tool. I'm going to capture the packets of my Ethernet adapter on my laptop, and eventually we'll see something called CDP pop up. CDP stands for Cisco Discovery Protocol, and if we open up this frame, we're actually going to be able to see the inside, all of the information inside of this frame. And within CDP, we can actually see the type of switch that we're connected to, a 2960 XR, what port we're connected to, and then obviously we're in VLAN 10, and we can confirm that right here with native VLAN 10. So obviously CDP kind of shows you some pretty cool stuff, but you can kind of think of this as a little bit of a security hole because it's revealing a lot of information about your network. But for demonstration purposes, we can confirm we're in VLAN 10. We've created VLAN 10 on the switch, and we are good to go, my friends. That's all there is to it.